Geodude, pass. Poliwa, oh,
Poliwag. Pass.
smash.
I'd love to be. Side up.
Psyduck, smash.
Bro. Bro. Bro.
Weeping Bell, though. Hey. Hey. Patot. Patoyota.
Huh?
Yes.
Winning bell. What that mouth?
What do you say? What you saying?
Ah,
Okay, dagan kay kag pass.
because
Smash.
weird. I only go for Ditto and Velperion.
Gaod sa manita diri.
Low bunny. Low bunny.
Grimer, smash. Licky Tongue. Oh. Oi. Oi. Hell yeah. Smash. Duo. Oh no. Oh no, pass. Caterpie. Pass.
Pass.
Tentacool.
Like, look,
Pass as well. What? Oi. What's up?
it's a shitty.
Nidoking. Nidoking. Yeah, pass. Yeah.
Na.
AIM. Pasag din lang, pasag din.
To.
Di na mo buto Insta360 na. That high quality camera. Voltorb, smash.
No, it's a Pokeball.
Executor. Naila, coconut tree. Pass.
Coconut nut is a giant nut.
Kung di lagi ka mo pass, undangon ako ni.
Og dili ka mo pa.
Ay, kung di ka mo smash.
Kana.
Clefairy.
Kana.
Smash. Sige, 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 sige.
Why?
Sige, smash pass.
Pass. Bilain kayo.
Ha, dili cute man ni si Clefairy.
If you see a kid, a cute kid, you say smash or pass.
Smash.
Puto.
Smash eh. Saka. Di man po ni bata si Clefairy. Pokemon niya, Pokemon.
Still, it's little and
Bro. Farfetch, pass.
pass. He had a leak.
Flareon, eh.
Unay, ang sunod, it's a cheerleader.
Flareon, smash.
Pass.
Hitmonchan, smash. Ghastly, it's a gas. Pass. Magmar,
Pass.
yeah, pass. Jigglypuff. Damn money don't tickle. Smash. Smash all day. Smash all day, every day, everywhere.